Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to remove in and out points in Davinci Resolve 18. It's very simple guys, you know all the situation when you accidentally press I and O somewhere and then you have this selection and you want to get rid of it. Well, you can get rid of it if you did it and then did nothing else after, just by Command and Z and bring it back. But what if you did steps after, like cutting some clips and adjusting, then you cannot bring back. You would think that you would right click and then go over to remove selected markers. As you can see, this doesn't work at all. Or go over here to remove all markers, but that doesn't work as well. So how do you get rid of this? Well, actually, here is a fix. Go up here in the where you find mark, right here, click on it and then clear in and out, or use shortcut Option X if you are on Mac, or Control X or Alt X if you are on Windows. So click it. As you can see, when I select it and I use shortcut Option X, it's gone. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.